Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial for Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair or reset Windows settings application in Windows 10 or 11. In Windows 10 or 11, you can control almost all aspects of Windows via the settings applications. However, it may work incorrectly due to some bugs and glitches. If you are experiencing the problems while accessing the settings application, you need to repair or reset it. Here we have a few ways to repair or reset Windows settings. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. To do that, method number 1, repair or reset Windows settings using application settings. If this system component is not working right now, we can try to repair it. Okay, to do that, open the search box by pressing Windows lower key plus Q. In the search box, type settings. Then from the search results, click on application settings like this. It will open application settings page like this. Then scroll down to the reset section. Here under reset section, you will see repair or reset option. Then click the repair button. This will repair Windows settings applications. This will not affect your application data. This may take for a while. Be patient. Once complete, then check if the issue is fixed or not. If the problem persists, click the reset button like this. Then you will see a confirmation message. This will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Then click again to reset. This will reset Windows settings. This may take for a while. Be patient. Once complete, then check if the issue is fixed or not. It will fix your problems. Next, if the problem persists, method number 2, reset and re-register Windows settings using PowerShell. To do that, open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. In the search box, type PowerShell, and in the search results, here you need to run PowerShell as administrator. Select PowerShell run as administrator. Then click Yes to approve the user account control prompt. It will open PowerShell with admin privilege. In the PowerShell window, type this command, copy and paste this command from the description box below, and press enter. Once done, this will reset your Windows settings. Once complete the reset, close the PowerShell window and then check if the issue is fixed or not. It will fix your problem. That's all. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to see more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.